Good afternoon, everyone. This is Piyush in front of you from BCA PPU first year batch 1, and I am here to tell you about a Qbasic code, which is basically for taking 5 numbers as input and show their sum in the form of output. So first of all, coming to the panel, we have CLS, which means clear scheme, so that any other activity running will be cleared. Then we are taking n4 as an integer because we have to put array as our variable. So n4 means the number will starting from 0 to 4. There will be total of 5 elements where our value from for n is equals to 0 to 4. Then we will print a message input enter 5 numbers so that the user can input any 5 numbers for whose sum they want. Then there is the formula sum plus ni. Then after next n, then the output visually showed for print is sum of numbers. Then we are ending this command. Now let me show you the output. For output, we can simply press shift F5. So here enter 5 numbers. I will enter 5 number 1, 2, 3, 23, 4 and 5, and their sum will be 35. So that's all from my side. Thank you.